Yo, what's up, everybody? It's Peace. Welcome to another video. S&P 500. Trend is extremely bullish. Increasing volume. RSI is very high and continuing to trend upward. And the MACD bars are still green. So I am very bullish. So I entered a 100 call position. 0 day to expire, 600 strike price. So these are still $1.50 out of the money, but that doesn't mean you still can't make profits. I've had some commenters ask about that. How can you make money if it's not in the money? And they all still have value. There's extrinsic value and intrinsic value, and you can actually abuse the timing because these still don't expire until I'm kicked out of them at 2:30 my time, since I'm in the Chicagoland area. So basically that time is giving these options value, even though they should be negative 150 per contract. We might go a little bit negative. They're trying to shake people out, but I'm still really bullish. This next 5-minute candle's about to close. Hopefully continuing the trend of high volume. I don't want to see a dip here because that's just annoying. But, I mean, realistically, I could hold this all day since I really do think that today is just going to be just like a straight rip to like the 600-ish level. Okay, low red. So I wouldn't be surprised if we saw a little downturn here and then putting my position into the red. Yeah, we touched negative 60 there for a second. But yeah, I'm confident in this play. So if we do go down a little bit, I'll probably buy some more, honestly. We'd have to go down to like 39 for me to really feel like I want to buy more. 40. Yeah, it's staying strong. It doesn't want more people to come in and get profit. Okay, there's 39. Yeah, let me try and get some more then. Let's buy 20 at the 0.39 price. Yeah, that's pretty cheap. Considering that I think these will be at over $1 by the end of the day. And these are up 1,300% on the day because these were worth like 3 cents at close yesterday. Everything's up insane today because just SPY ripped. The most profitable one currently is the 598, which is up 2,000%. But yeah, if we can get over the 600 mark, then the 600s will be up over 2,000%, which is really nice. Because generally the most profitable option is the one that just got into the money, and then the next is the one that's right outside the money, is generally what I've seen. But there's different factors that can affect that, of course. These 601s have been calling to me all day. I've seen them float around 22 and then bounce up to 27. That's a quick almost 25% gain. Yeah, it doesn't look like they're going to let me fill those 39s, which is fine. I mean, 100 contracts is still plenty. Up 10%. Okay, up 17%. All right, I'm just going to probably cancel that order. Where would I go? Here. Let's just cancel that. It's not going to go back to 39, and I don't want to forget about it. And then later on in the day, if it does go down and I've already sold, it would just buy me back in. That'd be silly. All right, we're up 27%. That's great. So I wanted to do 3% every single trading day. And then by the end of the, at the half year mark, if I was consistent with that, I should be at like $250,000, which is one of my goals for 2025. I started the day with, what's it called? 21,000. So, like 650 would be more than 3% gains. So I had already reached my goal for the day just off of a $4,000 investment, which is really funny. A little bit of a cool down. I can't believe that was another 5 minutes. So let's see what this volume is going to show us. Trend is still green for me. They are bouncing it back and forth, which is making the options lose value a little bit, but I'm not scared of a huge like drop. Yeah, see, we just jumped 20 cents. That's insane. This is the longest minute ever. Just show me the volume for the 5 minute candle. Wow, we're back up to the like 598.60. Yeah, we're going to see 599 in no time. All right, finally we closed and it's low green volume. Huh. All right, not sure what's going to happen here, but still overall bullish. I'm not just going to jump out of this just because we're going to go red a little bit. It seems like we're holding strong. We might have some type of a support in this range. These might have been too far out of the money for me to like make huge gains. Like I'm literally going to have to hold these all day. And I'm not making a video for all day, so I could see myself ending this video soonish. I don't often end a video showing a position that's still open. Usually I close the position within the video so that people don't copy me, because none of this is financial advice. And I've lost before, so I don't win every single trade. But yeah, it would be nice to not be copied. People are asking me in the comment section, oh, do you trade live? It's like, no. That is dangerous for you and me. Because as you've seen from my previous videos, a trade can go sideways so quickly, you will not even have time to get out. Some people say to put stop losses in, but I've seen chart patterns go with my initial assessment, but have moments where the chart does something that is out of the ordinary, and I think that's called stop loss hunting. So like say like I'm bullish and we have something like this where it dips down like this and then goes back up after some reconsolidation. That could kick me out of my position if I had a stop loss order. So I just opted to just not bother with those. This stop loss hunting that the market can do can kick you out of your position. So I just don't bother with that. It's all about your risk tolerance. Let's see if the 1 week or the 1 month can show us anything. So right now, the 1 week, there's nothing really in the territory that we're in right now. the 1 month, it looks like we had a double bounce off of the 601, almost 602 area. So yeah, I could see this easily climbing to that zone. The last time we were in that zone before was over here back in November of last year. And it looks like we went straight from, wait, was this the weekend or, oh, this jumps 2 days every day. Dang, that sucks. Where was the weekend? 3, 4, 5. Oh wait, no, that was the weekend, right? Yeah, 29 to, yeah, so over the weekend, back in November 29, that was probably around Thanksgiving, and I think the market was closed. So these numbers make sense. But anyway, like it jumped 598 all the way to 602, and then following that 603. So really the only thing we have to go off of is this like little bounce right here off of the 601 range and the heavy rejection. But besides that rejection, I think we're clear to go through to at least 601, which is why I'm so bullish right now. So right now, this position is up 27%. Since I have 100 contracts, every single penny that my option goes up, I get $100 extra, which is really nice. And then once these are in the money, every penny S&P 500, the SPY, goes up, then I also get $100 because it'll be in the money at that point, and the extrinsic value will no longer be the main factor. It'll be the intrinsic value that the option has. Another 5-minute candle is about to close. Okay, it just closed. I think let's see the volume on this. Oh, nice. Increasing green volume. RSI is on its way up. I think we break 599 very soon. Dude, I was up 27%, and now I'm only up 17%. I guess since this is so far out of the money that it's just like, it's not gaining nearly as much as I could have gotten if I had bought the dang. Oh, gosh, darn it. If I had bought the 599s. Yeah, unfortunate. But it's okay. That just means we have to hold it a little bit longer for an equivalent amount of gains. But it is risky. Like I said, these expire today, and if this doesn't go to 600 by the end of the day, and I did hold the whole day, then that's not going to be a good scenario for me, because these will expire worthless if the price just stops here. But right now we're about $1.20 out of the money. If we want to hit our break even, we're actually $1.60 out of the money. But imagine if this just goes up $1.60 to my break even, which is $600.42. Yep, and now we're back to red. Ooh, what is this weird channel we're building? All right, we're at 37 now. I want to see how far down we consolidate. We're already bouncing up. Do I double down still? Nothing's really changed. I think they're just trying to shake people. We had a nice bounce off of that range right there. Let's see if we can go back down to 38. It's probably 20 more at 38.38. Yeah, it's only $760. I still have my 17 or 16K that I can trade with later. Yeah, let's see if this takes. This will bring our cost average down probably one more penny, which is nice. And then once we get that face-ripping bull run, then our profits will be actually insane. We may have missed that opportunity. I mean, honestly, I'd be surprised if it goes back down at this point now that we have our buy order in. But it might. Yeah, we're dipping a little bit. So realistically, I didn't even have to enter this position if I was going to go for options this far out of the money. Yeah, I think I'm learning that if I want the trade to be quick, go for more towards in the money instead of so far out of the money. Like I mentioned in my other videos, I'm not perfect, but I have been profitable this entire past week. And I'm trying to keep up that trend so I can reach all of my goals. Yeah, now we're back up to 12%. The volatility on these is insane. This will give other people stomach problems, but I am good. Wow, watch we break 5.99. Imagine if I had 20 more contracts. Oh, I missed that boat. This time I'm going to leave the 38s since I'm still watching it. But if I end the video, I'll probably not watch this as closely, and I'll just like let it ride out and see what happens at the end of the day. Five-minute candle closing shortly. If it's increasing green volume again, then we are really sitting pretty. But I think the price might be lower since the last 5 minute, right? Whoa, that was a huge drop out of nowhere. 51, 47. Yo, I think they wanted to make sure that this candle was red to spook people. Yup, a giant red candle. All right, I am so bullish right now. All right, please let those take. Oh, it's so close. I just needed to, yep, there it is. All right, I've got 120 contracts now. 120, what's the cost average on these? Still 41. Oh no, it's exactly 41 now. Nice, I didn't even plan that. All right, here's some pullback. It's all right though. Only down 17%. Which options are they trying to disintegrate? Oh, they destroyed the 601s. Those were at like 20 something. Okay, so I think they're attacking the 601s because I think people got a little overzealous with that. And the 600s are suffering as well. I can't remember what 599s were at. I think those were at 90. So those were hit pretty hard too. We were obviously hit pretty hard as well. Now we're at 38 cents per share. Well, 601s are back up at 19. Those look so delicious right now. I could buy 100 of those for less than $2,000. Then when it shoots up to... No, let's concentrate. Let's be safe and not blow up our account. All right, we're green again on our 600s, which is what I predicted. Next stop, 599, and then 600. But that's probably not going to be until the afternoon. But my longer form videos tend to do better anyway, so, I mean, I'll just chill with you guys here for a minute. What's it called? Yeah, one of my goals is to monetize this channel, as I talked about in my 2025 goal video that I released on Saturday. And Yeah, that's one of my goals. But in order to reach that, I need 1,000 subscribers, which I've already gotten, and I also need 4,000 hours of watch time in the past year. And right now I'm at like 1,600 ish. So I guess longer form videos is where it's at. But I don't know if this is the correct business model because there will be a point where, well, you know what? No, options trading and making money quick is always going to be popular and going to attract new people. Because every day I'm sure there's a new person that figures out what options are and blows up their account and then wants to see what they can do. Because, like, you can make money off of these. The dream is to be able to consistently make enough that you don't need a full-time job and you can just make thousands of dollars a day, which is better than most jobs that people have access to. But everyone has access to the stock market. It's actually ridiculous how much access there is to the stock market. Like, anyone can come in here and then blow up their account, lose all their money, and then no one will say anything. Like, this platform that I'm on won't, like, reach out to you if you lost a bunch of money. But other people, like, or other brokerages, I think, do check in on you. At least that's what one of my friends was telling me. All right, going back down to the 598 range. So now these contracts are only worth $34 a piece or 34 cents per share. I think I want to buy 30 more at 36 to make it a nice even 40 average cost. Buy 30.36, and then I'll still have 15,000 for later. There it is. So we've put in exactly 6,000 into this. Now every penny the contract goes up $150 is the change that my account will experience. This might convert over to bearish, which will be such a shame since we were up 1,000 at some point, but I'm very greedy. All right, guys, nothing's happening. I'm going to keep an eye on this, but I don't want to record anymore for now. If you guys are super lucky, you'll get 2 videos in a day. But yeah, I hope to close these with profit, but that's not guaranteed. I might have a secondary play later on with the remaining 15K that I have, but right now I've just got 6K on the line. And we're back at break even. Just when I'm trying to get away, something cool happens. Watch this. I just sell everything now, and then it rips. All right, so basically, since we're exactly at break even, it's as if we just opened our position right now. So imagine just out of nowhere looking at this chart and buying 150 calls of something that's $1.50 out of the money. You wouldn't, right? Of course you wouldn't. You're not crazy. Let's see what this volume candle is on the 5-minute, and then I'll see if I want to end the video right now. It is ripping. Oh my God. 51. Of course it's going to do this. 52, 50. Yo, where's 5.99, bro? Tiniest green volume bar ever. And now we shoot up. Yeah, if these close at $1, then that's over $6,000 profit. Which would be pretty fantastic for such a small position. All right, are we finally ready to put our big boy pants on and get above that $6.99 range? All right, we're ripping. Okay, there's 80s, 84, 87. Rejected off of the 87 by about 12 cents, 13 cents, 14. Let's see if we retest and break. Nope, we are dropping. Interesting. So I think we got up to like $750 profit, which should be 5 cents. Yeah, because each one is 150. All right, back up to the 70 range. Let's see if we retest that. This is just doing crazy stuff. It was all over the place. 75, 74. Yeah, back down to 60s. Yeah, those 80s are really strong resistance. I don't currently see any patterns within here, but like since the overall trend is bullish, I'm super bullish. And if you guys haven't noticed, SPY always goes up. Except on the weekly or the monthly when it doesn't. Stocks only go up. Market's been open for an hour and 17 minutes. And we've changed $2.60 upward. we finally about to break 599? Let's see it happen live. Nah, bro, you're not fooling anybody. Go back up. You're literally not fooling anybody. You rejected it 87 cents several times. And then now you're saying you're reaching 95 cents and you're not going to go past it. Some kind of sick joke. Let's see if they're still trying to destroy our friends, the 601s. Still at 19 cents. All right, so they did what they wanted to do. 599s are back up to over 80 cents, and we're back into profit. Spoke too soon. But yeah, now 601s are 17 cents. Oh my God, I could have 100 of those for $1,700. My word. That's insane that I could have 100 of those for $1,700. $1,600. No, I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. I've got my position. I've got 6K on the line. Yeah, this is a big nothing burger. I don't know what I expected. Unless it's going to skyrocket and then plummet, then the best thing is to just hold it until end of day, honestly. And then worst case scenario, we just lose 6K. Like, that's the absolute worst case scenario, which is fine because I made way more than that last week. Yeah, I made 14,000 last week, actually. It'll set me back on my goal a little bit of the 3% per day, but another 5-minute volume candle closed finally. Let's see what it is. Higher green volume. I don't know what that means anymore. What is going on? We've been stuck here for what feels like 20 minutes. If I had just gotten the 599s, we'd be Gucci. But no, I did not get the 599s. I got the 600s. And now we're down 10%. At any point where it's green and I sell, that's a total win. So, like, just know that I was right. I'm just very greedy. I'm very bullish on this, and I'm expecting to get at least $1,000 or $2,000 profit on this off of a quick uptrend. Because when we get past 599, I don't think 600 is very far off. Based on what I was showing you on the, was it the 3-month? No, it was the 1 month. This range right here that we bounced off of. I think we're headed for that to either bounce off or break through. If we break through, then that would be unbelievable. And I could make like $15,000 today. But just in case it bounces, I am going to be taking some profits around that range. It's just whenever it gets there. I don't know when it's going to get there. And I don't know for a fact that it's going to get there. So if I do decide to end this video early and post it, don't go and be like, oh yeah, Peace, I said that it's going to go to 600 something. So I bought these and then I lost my money. Like, do not do anything. None of this is financial advice. This is just what's going on in my mind. I'm not a perfect trader. So you can try to copy my methods and see if that works for you. But I'm not giving you any actual advice. All right, back up to 12%. We're testing that 98 or 599 range, and then like we're honestly just coping for a breakthrough because at this point it just keeps rejecting, and there's nothing really to say that it's going past that except for the 1 month chart, which might not even be a very strong indicator. But if you ever look at SPY and it's bullish, then you end up seeing that it, like 9 times out of 10, it's just so bullish that it just like breaks through all of your expectations. You just have to figure out how to choose the best option. And in the comment section, people are like, how do you choose the best option? It's like, I don't know. I just guess. The greedier I am feeling that day, which you should never put feelings into this. Oh, broke 5.99. The greedier I'm feeling that day, the further out of the money I go. All right, up 27%. So this option is up 1,600% on the day. Let's see all those options. Yeah, we would love to get to the point where we're up 2,500%. 599, 17, 599, 16. Yeah, and then the 601s are back up to 23. So that was 24. That was a quick 5-cent gain from the 19 that we saw it at. 11. I probably should take profits, but I would really like to see that over 600 range. But honestly, with the way that the price is going, it's just going to bounce back down. This might be my best bet. Maybe 599.30. Or that could be too greedy. Should I just take some profits now? Maybe. 599.02, 599.01. There's going to be another big upward swing. I just don't know when it is. Every time I sell early like this, it just rips and just destroys everything. And then I could have made an extra 15K. And then people in the comments are like, oh man, if you hadn't sold, you would have made 15K. A green day is a green day, baby. I will make 15K. It's just going to take me a couple days. And then I'll make it again, and again, and again, and the next day, and the next day, and the next day, and the next day, and the next day. Put in the comment section what that reference is from. You're not going to close this candle in the teens of 599? Okay, there we go. And slightly higher volume green. Still bullish. Still bullish. You're not fooling anybody by dipping under 599. Goober. Whoa. You know what? I'm always interested in what is happening with the 601s. Yep, back down to 19. Oh my God, those guys can't catch a break. I bet you so many people just bought these 601s at 25 cents. Oh man, it's rough. It's rough on these streets. It is rough on these streets, man. Oh man. Come on, let's go. Let's go. 48, 49, 50, nice. I think we peaked at 53-ish. Well, actually, we can see what we peaked at because we have the volume candles or not the volume candles. What am I talking about? The candles. And, oh, wait, 54. I thought I saw 50. Oh, wait, no. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, 54 was the peak on these. Is that the overall high for the day? No. The overall high for the day is 58. Yeah, we're definitely going to let the 58 buyers out of their position. Look at that. So strong. Oh my gosh, I'm so bullish. I don't want to sell right now. I guess I do want to take some profits, though. Should I just sell 50? I might just sell 50 here. No, I'll wait for another, 30 cents, and then I'll sell 50. Seems to be really struggling to get out of this 5.99 range. But that's honestly probably just because of options. I think I know what to do. I think I just take profit at around $2,000 profit, and then I buy $2,000 worth of 601s, and then I end the video. 92, 91. Still going strong. They're really trying to decimate those 601s. Poor 601s. I feel bad for them. 19. That could be worse. They could be at 17 again. Remember, for our 600 call, or what am I saying? My 600 calls, they are cost averaged at 40. So anything above 40 is great. Wow, Bitcoin. Wow, Bitcoin is ripping. It was at 99,000 this morning. And now it's at 102. That's insane. All right, 601's back down to 18. Boy, do I want to buy some at 17. How low can we go? I said, how low can we go? 89, 86. Oh, man. There's no way we're still in profit. All right. High red volume. And then we're back up to 599. What is going on with this? Maybe that was our last pump before the huge dip. Nothing told me that this was going to reject off of 599. Like, am I crazy? Was there something over here? Oh, shoot. Oh, no. Support level turned resistance? No way. There's no way. There's no way. Is there a way? I'm spooked. I am spooked. I didn't see this. Where did I see it? 1 month? This thing right here. What was this? December. Okay, so this was like Christmas. During the day before Christmas. Christmas Eve. Shut up. This was resistance. And then it became support. And then we shot up. And now we're rejecting off of it. We rejected pretty hard. Oh no, am I bearish? Oh no, it's too late. Why did I wait to notice it? No. Wonder how far we reject. Oops. Those 601s are at 17 again. The 601s. How dumb am I? I want to buy 100 of these so bad. 16. You can't beat that. That was probably a mistake, but you live and you learn. There we go. People probably loaded up on puts. Never bet against the market, guys. What are you doing? All right, now we're making some real gains. How much has this gained already? $300, 18%. And then our other one has gained 7%. Unbelievable. I'm making more off of the flippin' 601s now. Five-minute candle's about to close. Will we see 5.99 again? Close. Volume candle just closed, and even higher red volume. Sick. They're trying to beat it down, but it's not going. Yeah, 16 was just such a good deal. I couldn't pass it up. For the low price of $1,600, you can have access to even more. Break $5.99 again for me, so I can end this video. 91. Oh, it is gonna rip. It is gonna rip. To the downside. Just kidding. Yeah, the 601s have a potential to 5x. Just got to get through that 5.99 resistance again. Can't believe it rejected off of that, like, 5.99. Or actually, we can see what the max was. 5.99.22 it rejected off of. Rest in peace, man. We're so close to the high of day. Relatively speaking. Back at that low price of 16 cents. If it drops below 16 cents, then I'll know that that was not a good buy. And I could have just bought later. Maybe getting more people to buy puts. I think that's got to be it. All right, push higher, please. I mean, darn it. Shoot. Another 5-minute candle's going by. Let's see what the volume's closing at. It seems to be stuck at 598.88. Oh man. Okay, it broke through. I'm not even going to bother checking the volume. Let's see the 599 break. Okay. Do not reject off of that. Okay, there we go. Oh, 2. Dang. Rejected again. All right, I'll check that volume. Baby green. Baby green. Let's go. This is finally it. 25%. 17.5%. Trying to bounce off the 599. Let's see if it'll hold. Broke through to the downside. Retesting. Trying to break through. Yeah, I think they don't want the 601s getting too much more expensive. For now. Like, obviously, later in the day, these will probably rip. Not financial advice. Maybe I should wait until the end of the day to post this video and then post the secondary video later on in the day at nighttime. I'm just trying to make it so that I can't be held liable for financial advice, because I'm not giving any financial advice, but people are just going to copy me no matter what I do, or try to. But can you truly mimic greatness? Rejected off the 599. Once again, we are negative. We got up to about $800 profit, which is nice and dandy, but this is the game you play with the out of the money 0 day to expire ones. In the money, we'd be sitting pretty, but we needed to like go up a lot for us to make our gains. Yeah, which might be a hint for me to stop doing such far out of the money. I mean, usually I'm still profitable, but like it's a longer video and it increases the stress that you need to withhold. Because when you're down $5,000, it doesn't feel good. Until it comes back, though. Woo! Luckily, we were not down 5,000 today at all. Okay, we're back up above 599. Let's see, 599.30s. Bro. Crazy volatility. The thing is, we can lose on this trade so hard. Slightly higher volume. Not good enough. I've seen it rip off of, like, almost no volume, so, like, that could be what's happening here. Yeah, it looks like it is. All right, this run is fake. I'm taking profits. There's 21. Okay, 28. Maybe the volume is stepping in right now. 29. Okay, so we broke the high of day. Up $2,000. 2,400. 30, 32, 34. All right, these have got to go. Sell 100. Bye-bye. Done. All right, those are all done. Profit is insane on those. Thank you. 599.29. 30, 31. Honestly, if I sold here, I'd just be done for the day. Because, like, I don't need to use that other money that I have. Yeah, these are just too far out of the money. I'm going to regret this later, but whatever. It's not even going to let me fill it. It's not even going to let me fill it, bro. Bro, you are kidding me. You're kidding me. You're joking. You know what? It's fine. It's fine. At least a portion of this is house money. What did I... Wait, these are buys. Oh, okay, I need to go here. What was my last sell? Last sell was these. I got $500 profit off of the 100 contracts at 21 cents. Let's see what they're at right now. 601s are at 19. Oh my god. I'm going to let these run a little bit. I'm ending the video. All right, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Subscribe for more. What's my profits for the day? 1,200. This could be a lot lower next time I talk to you guys, but we reached our goal. I'm going to try and reach the stretch goal of 100%. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Subscribe for more. Bye.